As elections are due in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, so the demand for armored vehicles have increased at a very steady rate. And how the whole process is, how the cars are being ready. So to talk more on this, right now I'm in the plant at Laludu in Mohali, and behind me you can see that the cars are being ready, and especially the more demand is of the Fortuner car, and you can see in the visuals right now the whole car is being processed and it's being made ready. To talk more on this, right now with us is the MD of the company, Mr. Rishi Agarwal. Agarwal, you just wanted to know, what is the overall demand, especially if we talk about as elections are due, especially in Punjab and Haryana. So has the demand increased?
The demand usually spikes when the election comes, and especially if the states are high security threat states or troubled states, then the demand goes up. Like currently we have elections for UP and Punjab coming up. The demand is definitely much higher, more than 50 to 70% higher than we normally have. And if the state is less trouble bound, then the demand is much lower than normally. Yep.
Okay. What about how much time does it require to prepare fully the armored car?
It actually depends on what kind of a car. If it's a standard like a Fortuner, Innova, which are being done continuously, it's a much faster to do it. I think Shank will be able to handle this more than I do. But if the car is special, like you see, there's a Wellfire here, which is rarely done. So because the moldings and the glass and everything takes so much time to start the first vehicle, so it takes much longer time. And if there's a demand for a special, like an election campaign van or a media van, then it's 60 days we take to make one vehicle, because every vehicle is customized to suit the end user's requirement.
Okay. Rushank, if you talk about, you said that the demand increases, especially when the elections are near. But if you talk about the whole process, just define how is the whole process, how the cars are being made ready.
See, if we talk about the process, there are certain parameters which we have to follow. Once the vehicle comes to us, like if you see this, the first vehicle which is here, this has just arrived and we have started stripping down the vehicle. So we have to strip down the complete vehicle to start the bulletproofing. So once the vehicle has been stripped down, which you can see in the first vehicle, after this stage comes, which is a Wellfire, where the complete vehicle has been stripped down and the team is starting the process of armoring. And if you see the third vehicle, which has been almost ready as far as the bulletproofing is concerned, the armoring is completely done, bulletproofing is completely done. Now the team is starting the finishing of the vehicle, like the original trims and everything is going back to the vehicle, that the vehicle should not look an armored car. So we maintain the height, we maintain the maximum things which we can try to maintain, like the original trims, the dashboard, the seats and everything. So once everything is done, then we will send the vehicle for a trials. And this is the third stage where you can see the vehicle is getting ready.
Okay. So what is the intensity of the threat if you talk about?
If you talk about the intensity, like this vehicle is built as per NIJ level 3 standard B6, which is the acceptable armoring in India, which will give the protection against SLR, self-loaded rifle. So in this, we have given a complete protection. If you see the vehicle, it has been completely armored as per NIJ standard 3.
Okay. And what about the whole, what type of demand does it come? Does you get the demand that whole vehicle should be armored?
See, it all depends upon the person to person, the threat which he have, and mostly on the state where he wants to use the vehicle. Like if the VIP is there, he would like to go for the complete armoring. And if you see that some states are there where threat is very low, so some of the VIP want to get only the glasses armored. Okay. So it depends on the person to person and state to state.
Okay. So this is the whole process which has been explained, how the car is being made ready, and the delivery of the car is being given in a month and in a maximum of 60 days. And these are the visuals here from Ground Zero. With video journalist Chandiram, this is Lalit Sharma for India Today, Laludu, Mohali.